trust you, I'm gonna beautiful morning. You're the sun of my morning, baby.
You heard it yet? You know what makes this or just any sort of medium or tool, you know, that correlates or that's incorporated in, you know, making whatever custom or shoes you do in general, is that even with it, it's still such a time consuming process. I don't care what you got, whether that be airbrushing, prepping, this, you know, taking the shoe apart, which, you know, is at least 3 to 4 plus hours. It's just customizing in general, or just creating a shoe. It's just such a time consuming process. Going back to even yesterday, I thought, you know, the stuff that I had to complete yesterday, Saturday afternoon, you know, it was going to take me like at least probably no more than like 2 to 3 hours. And, you know, I'm at like stage 9 and I just got to get to stage 10. And there we go, sitting at 12 o'clock at night, and I'm still not done with it. So all I'm saying is, shit takes long. Takes real long. So hopefully I'm gonna finish it today. So yeah, that's where my mind's at right now. I guess I'm gonna consider this some sort of an informal review, mainly being that the tape, and you know, I'm still like literally taking it all apart. But just kind of to, you know, show literally, you know, the end process. Here it is. This is a pair, as you can see. For those who don't know, it's an Air Force 1I silhouette. That let's take go. A lot of people, when they do come, you know, well, not come, but in regards to just emails and whatnot, after seeing, you know, a pair of sneakers that kind of I've done previously that they like, they tend to want to do that same one, but I try to make it with a twist or something a bit different, especially on those original colorways, just because all respect to the person that, purchased them before me. I don't want to just straight up just copy their whole sort of colorway design and just, kind of screw them over. So, like I said, the previous version of this, colorway that I did kind of before was on a pair of threes, and they're 07 flip threes. If I were to compare regular python leather to suede python leather, the main difference that makes them so different is that suede python leather is so much more soft to the touch. It has those regular small fibers that you feel as you run across the scales, just as any other regular suede leather. It's real soft to the touch, and it has a nice feel to it, an elegant feel to it. Air Force One high silhouette leather is comprised of suede python leather, glazed python, eel glaze, and then black lambskin to top it off. It's kind of like the cherry on top. And beyond that, the main thing that the customer wanted to do a bit different, and actually he's I didn't say before, but he's in LA. I am a big fan of hints, small things that don't even really make a difference to a regular person that looks at it, just in a split second. But when you get up close to it, when you see the differences, it tends to be a big difference, if you know what I mean. So the client wanted me to mess around a bit with the sole itself and make some sort of effect or some sort of change to it and minor difference. So what I ended up doing is just basically doing some sort of small speckle pattern with fire red, but you really can't see it too much just because I didn't want to be too visible. But small differences. Now the plan is to ship these out to the post office tomorrow if it don't take me 30 hours to do the photo shoot. For those who didn't catch that, that is a horrible reference to the life of Pablo. But don't judge me, because that's the only reason I got the free 30-day subscription from Tidal, so it's relevant. These things will be posted on my Instagram in different locations, different settings, the regular stuff. Later this week. Yeah, later this week. And stay tuned. I really ain't got nothing special to tell you, but I got stuff to show you. Instagram, PureCLS, Twitter, PureCLS1, Facebook fan page, PureCLS. Stay tuned.